Hi everyone, it's Tali from Zart, and today we're going to be exploring mineral paper and drawing ink to create a little insect collage, and we'll also be using paint markers. Okay, so I've applied quite a bit of ink onto the page, and some areas are quite thick with ink. They'll take a long time to dry, so be aware when you're doing this project and going through this process, you probably want to have your students working on the mineral paper in one lesson and then take a break, and then the next week when your ink is dry, then you'll start the construction. Okay, so now I've got all my pieces for my beetle here, so you can trim down some things just to make sure they fit. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.